Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Miro for sprint planning workshops, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Miro website by entering the URL in your web browser. Look for the sign up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be presented with several registration options. Choose to sign up with your email, Google account, or Microsoft account. If you opt for email registration, enter your email address in the provided field. Then, create a strong password that meets the specified requirements. After filling in your details, click on the Get Started button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Miro. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Miro website. Log in using your registered email and password. You will now be taken to your Miro dashboard. To create a new board for your sprint planning workshop, click on the Create a Board button. Choose a suitable template for sprint planning from the available options. Customize the template as needed to fit your workshop requirements. Invite team members to collaborate by clicking on the Share button. Enter their email addresses and adjust their permission settings accordingly. Once your board is set up, schedule your sprint planning workshop. Inform your team about the date, time, and access details for the workshop. Prepare any additional materials or resources needed for the session. On the day of the workshop, log into Miro and open your prepared board. Begin the sprint planning workshop by engaging all participants. Utilize Miro's features such as sticky notes, timers, and voting to facilitate discussions. Conclude the session by summarizing key points and action items. After the workshop, follow up with your team regarding any outstanding tasks. By following these steps, you will effectively register and prepare for a successful sprint planning workshop using Miro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.